Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make perfect poached eggs in the microwave. First, grab a microwave-safe bowl or mug. Carefully crack one large egg into it, making sure the yolk stays intact. Then, add about 1/2 cup of water, just enough to cover the egg, and a tiny pinch of salt. This simple setup is key to achieving a beautifully cooked egg quickly and easily. Now, cover your bowl with a small plate or microwave-safe plastic wrap to create a steaming environment. Place it in the microwave and cook on high power for about 45 seconds. After this initial burst, carefully remove it and check the egg. The white should be mostly set, but the yolk should still be soft and runny. If it needs more time, proceed to the next step. Every microwave is different, so you might need to adjust the cooking time slightly. If your egg isn't quite done, microwave it for an additional 10 to 15 seconds, checking frequently. For a firmer yolk, you can add a few more seconds. Once it's cooked to your liking, carefully use a slotted spoon to lift the perfectly poached egg out of the water. Be gentle to keep its shape. Your perfect microwave poached egg is ready. Season it with a sprinkle of fresh black pepper, a dash of paprika, or some chopped chives. It's fantastic on a piece of crispy toast, atop a bed of avocado, or as a protein boost for your salad. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.